Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. I'm going to show you how to print documents from your laptop to HP Laserjet printer. To print your document, there are two ways to do this. First of all, you need to go to your File Explorer and select the document you want to print out. Okay, and the document is opening up. Okay, this is the document I want to print out. It's up to 6 pages of document. Now, to print this document out, you need to select print. Now, the next thing you need to do, you also need to make sure you select the correct printer. So, by selecting, scroll down to look for available printer. HP Color Laserjet Pro is ready. Select on it, and it's getting ready. Now, the next thing to do, you can also select how many copies you want to print this out, or let's say you can select print 1 to 1. Okay, and select print. So now this document is going to print only page 1. There we go. And it's taking it from the tray 1. This is the document, very quick document we printed out from tray 1. Okay, now I also want to see if we're able to print double-sided. Select print. Okay, and select print on both sides. Print on both sides. So select page 1 to 2. Okay, to print on both sides. Select print. There we go. So now this document is printing. Brilliant. So we're able to print on both sides from this. Here we go. This is the document we printed on both sides. Okay, so you can print on both sides from this printer, and we printed page 1 to 2. We printed it on both sides. Okay, so this is exactly how this works. How to print your document. Another way to print this document from here, from your laptop, is for you to go to HP Smart App. So go to HP Smart App. This is HP Smart App. Open it up. Then you go to print document. Select print document, and it will supported document file. Click OK. Now it will take you for you to print the document. Okay, so open the file you want to print. Open it up, and the file is getting ready. And the file is getting ready. Now you select, like I said earlier, this document is page 1 to 6. So you can select portrait or landscape, and also paper size is A4, and paper type is plain, output is normal, copy. Also print on both sides, and print all pages. You can also select print page in range, for you to select the particular range 1 to 2. Okay, and select print. So now this document is going to print out. Here we go. So it's printing on both sides. Brilliant. This printer is very fast and quick. You can see we printed this document on both sides. We printed page 1 to 2 on both sides. So this is exactly how this works. How you can print document from your laptop to HP Color Laserjet Pro in 2 ways.